Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Hoverbox on Wix, and I will also be showing you how to add an Hoverbox on your Wix website. Once you're on the editor page of Wix, as I'm going to assume more than likely that you have already created your Wix website, so I won't bore you with the sign up process or anything like that. Once on the editor page, all you'll need to do, once you're on the page that you would like to add the hover box on, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on the plus at the top that says add elements. After you have done that, you're going to hover over box, then you're going to hover over hover boxes, and by the way, in the add elements section you will see numerous options. So for example, if you wanted to add text, image, button, or anything at all, whether it be a contact form or video or music, you can do that from the add elements section. But for this example, we'll be adding a hover box. So we are going to hover over box, then we are going to go to hover boxes. Then you can see the different style. For example, with this hover box, once you hover over it, the text section will pop up. And you can see right here, this is a sale one. So once you hover over this, you can see right here that the text changes. As you can see right here with this one, the text pops. And if I were to hover over this one, you can see that the image change. And this one, you can see that the image and the text also change. So for this example, I'll be using this one. So I'll simply tap and drag it. You can drag it to wherever you want on your website. So you can see it right here. If I were to tap on hover right below change design, then tap on play, you can see how it looks right there. So there are two images and you can see that there are two text boxes. Now to start editing. So let's say for example you want to change the image. All you would have to do is tap on the image that you would like to change. So if I would like to change the first image, I could simply tap on the image. Then I'm going to tap on change image. After I've selected change image, from here I can tap on the image that I would like to use. Then tap on choose image. And by the way, with Wix, as you can see by actions right here, you can crop and edit, and you can also cut out the background of an image if you want. And you can also change the file info or file name if you want. So you're going to tap on choose image. So now if I should tap on play, you can see right there that the image has changed. And if you would like to change the image, the second image better yet, all you'll have to do is simply pull down on the box. Once you have pulled down on the box, you will see the second image. And all you'll have to do is tap on that particular box. And then from there, you could tap on choose image. As you can see right here, you could tap on change image and you will be able to change that image also. But I will be leaving the second image. So as you can see right here again, if I were to tap on hover, all I would have to do is simply pull back up the image in line. Then once I've done that, if I were to tap on play, you can see right there that you have two images. Now, if you would like to extend the hover time, instead of it just playing out quickly within 2 seconds, all you have to do after selecting the hover box, you are going to tap on the third icon that says timing. Then from here, you can see that at the moment, it is set for 0.4 seconds. If you would like to increase that, all you have to do is pull it to the right. So let's say I want it to go up to 1. And you can also choose how you would like it to ease in or ease out, or if you want it to go in and out, meaning switching between images, or if you don't want to add none at all. So let's see how it would look. All you have to do is tap on play and you can see how it looks right there. If I were to tap on ease in, then tap on play, you can see how it looks right there. And you can also see that it is a bit longer compared to before. And again, if I were to drag out the duration, it would get even longer, as you can see right there. So that's it. After you're finished doing that, you can choose if you would like to add some delay seconds in between. You can do that also if you want. So let's say you want it to delay for 4 seconds. You could do that. As you can see right here, there's a slight delay now. After you're finished doing that, you could close out of it. Then if you would like to change the text, which more than likely you're going to want to do that, all you have to do is tap on the text box. After you have tapped on the text box, you'll select Edit Text. Then from there, I could type in the text that I want to add. So let's say I want to add simple answers. All I would do is type in answers right here, which would be the second line. Then from here, you could change the font style if you want. So you could choose a different font style. You can also change the size of the font. Also, if you would like to add a background, all you'll have to do is tap on highlight. Then from there, you could choose the background color that you would like to use. So you could add a background, as you can see right here. All I have to do is tap on the particular color that I would like to use to add a background. Then all I would have to do is select the text, then tap on background, and you can see right there, a background is being added, as you can see right there. But I prefer this color, if any. Then you'll simply close out of that, and then you can scroll down and you can also change the alignment. You can also add effects if you want. As you can see here, there are numerous effects that you can add. There are numerous editing options you can use with Wix. Now to change the second text, all I would have to do is tap on regular. Then you will see the second text right here. So here I would simply type in simple. As remember, I'm adding simple answers. So you can see it right there. And then again, you could do the same changes. If I were to tap on hover, then tap on play, you can see it right there, simple answers. And also, if you would like to change the effects, for example, I could tap on choose effects. Then if you would like to turn it into a grow, meaning if you would like the image to kind of pop, you could do that. If you want the image to shrink, you could do that. As you can see right there, the grow effect, if you would like it to shrink, you could tap on shrink, and you can see how it looks right there. So you have different effects that you can add. If you would like it to rotate, you could do that also. As you can see right there, it slowly rotates. If you would like to add a combo, you can also do that. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll have to do now is tap on the box again. Then from there, you could tap on settings. And in settings, you can see you could add a link, and you can choose what will happen when someone clicks on the image. So you can choose whether you want nothing to happen, a link opens up, it opens in a pop-up, or it can be magnified. If you would like a link to open, you'll select a link opens. Then you're going to scroll down, and right where you see add a link, you will tap right there to add your link. Also, if you would like to add alt text, you can add the alt text right here to tell Google what is this image. And after you're finished doing that, you can simply tap on the X, and again we could tap on design right there, and we can make some changes. So let's say, for example, you want to change the frame, which is the outline right here. You can choose one of these frames right here. All you have to do is hover over them, and you can see the different frame styles right there. And you will simply tap on the frame that you would like to use. So all you have to do is select a frame, as you can see right there. If you would like it to have a black outline, better yet, you could choose that one. If you would like it to be circular, you could select a circle right here. So you could change it to a circle, as you can see right there. There are numerous editing options you can choose from, but I prefer no frame. Then I'll tap on X. And also you can see right here, you could change the filters, so you can add a different shade if you want. As you can see right here, you can also make it blur. You can change different effects, or better yet, different appearance, how it appears, better yet. So you can choose the filter that you would like to use, and you can also change the animation by tapping on animation. So if you would like it to bounce, as you can see, guide in or float in, you can select any one of these animation. Once you're finished, all you'll have to do is tap on publish or save in the top right hand corner. If I were to tap on preview, you will see how it looks. Let me select preview so you can see how it looks. As you can see right here, this is it. So once I hover over it, you can see that the text changes and the image changes. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.